Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you the top new deals for the following week at CVS from July 18th through the 24th. Now the ad might not look like much because it is a short ad, but I was able to pull out very easily 7 deals for the following week. And I'm talking body wash, razors, and paper products. So before we get into the deals, I want to tell you about the inserts. So on the 18th, which is Sunday, of course, we will be getting 2 inserts, one Smart Source and one Save. Now, if you do order them through BQ Savings or other services, a lot of them will have 2 versions of the Save insert, so you would be getting 3 different inserts. I order the 4-pack. BQ Savings offers 2-day shipping, and we will be getting coupons like All, Dove, Lysol, tons and tons of coupons this coming week. So if you want to order them, I do have a link in the description box, but the first deal I will talk about is the Softsoap. The Softsoap this coming week is buy 2, get back $2 in extra bucks with a limit of 3. So you're going to buy 2 of the body washes at $3.99. You're going to use $2 off insert coupons from the 7/18 Smart Source. That's another one we're getting. And then you're going to use a 2 off 8 body wash CRT. You would pay $3.98, get back $2 in extra bucks. Your final total for 2 bottles of body wash, $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece. Next, we have a scenario here with the Neutrogena makeup. I have a lot of Neutrogena makeup CRTs, so I thought if you're in a similar situation, this might interest you. Plus, there is a special rebate going on that I want to talk about as well. So, the Neutrogena makeup is buy 2, get back a $6 extra buck. I'm going to pick up one of the Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint Face Makeup, liquid makeup type of thing for $18.79. Then I'm going to pick up a Skin Clearing Blemish Concealer for $12.49. Then I'm going to use 2 $3 off of 1 Neutrogena Cosmetic Hang Tag coupons. I have those from Walmart. I encourage you to go look at hang tags at Walmart. I always see those there. And even if you don't get those, this will still be a moneymaker. So then I have a $6 off Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint CRT that I got this current week right now that I'm filming in, and I thought I have to work that in somehow because that's a huge CRT. Then I will use the $3 off Neutrogena Cosmetics instant coupon that printed for everyone or that is on everyone's app from the 11th to the 17th of July. Then I also have a 6 off 30 Neutrogena Cosmetics CRT. So then I would pay $10.28, get back a $6 extra buck, but since we're buying $30 worth of makeup, we will also get back a $3 beauty buck. But then there is a new offer going on that is through Fandango. That is when you spend $25 or more on participating items, you get a $10 Visa card. So I have a link in the Google Doc that's in the description box that will take you to that rebate, as well as another link that will show you the list of participating items, and these 2 items are on there. And this promotion does run from the 18th of July until the 15th of September, and it is a back to school promotion and a back to college promotion that Johnson & Johnson is doing. So then after you get back your $10 Visa card, that would make these 2 items free and an $8.72 moneymaker. And I'm definitely doing this deal. And you should also do this deal if you have similar CRTs. Next is the Glucerna. The Glucerna next week is buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck. So we're going to grab 2 of the mini treats if they are included at $5.79 a piece. We did get a 5 off 2 coupon that was in the 7-Eleven Smart Source. I also have a 3 off 2 Glucerna CRT, which I've done this deal a few times over the last couple of years that I've couponed there, so I do get these quite frequently. So then you would pay $3.58, get back a $5 extra buck, making 2 boxes of these little treats free and a $1.42 moneymaker. Next, we have 2 oral care promotions, and then I will show you what you can do after you combine the two together for an even better deal. So the Colgate toothpaste is buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck with a limit of 2, and they are $3.99 a piece. So I'm going to grab 2 of the Colgate Max Freshes for $3.99 a piece, and I'm going to use the dollar off printable coupons that we got on the 11th of July. There are also digital versions of this as well as cashback offers on the coupons.com app that you can use as well in case you didn't get the printables. So you would pay $5.98 for the both of them and get back a $5 extra buck, making the both of these a toothpaste 49 cents a piece. But we're going to combine it with the next deal, and that way it'll be a little bit of a moneymaker, because that's what I like the most about couponing is money makers. So next is the Colgate toothbrushes. These are also buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck with a limit of 2. When you buy 2 of these at $4.49 a piece, then you're going to use $2 off printable coupons. Same thing again, there's digitals and there is cashback offers on coupons.com. So you would pay $6.98, get back that $5 extra buck, making each toothbrush just 99 cents a piece, which is a decent deal. Let's combine the two together with a CRT to make it an even better deal. So we're going to buy 2 of the Max Freshes at $3.99 a piece and 2 of the toothbrushes at $4.49 a piece. That is going to bring our total up to $16.96. We're going to use $2 off printable coupons for the toothpaste and $2 off printable coupons for the toothbrushes. Then I'm going to use a 4 off 16 Colgate CRT, but you can use a 3 off 15 oral care or a 3 off of 12, whichever that you have. But that one will bring your total down to $8.96. You will get back $10 in extra bucks, 5 for the toothbrushes and 5 for the toothpaste, making them all free and a $1.04 moneymaker, and that is an incredible deal. If you have a 5 off of 25 Colgate CRT, then you can do one of these deals twice, and then like the toothbrushes, you could do those twice and the toothpaste one time. But this is what I'm going to do on Sunday. Next is a paper product promotion. The Cottonelle and Scott are on a promotion where you spend $20, you get back $5 in extra bucks. The Cottonelle Mega Roll, the 9 count, is included, and it will be on sale for $10.49 a piece. We're going to pick up 2 of these. Now I know this graphic does say you're going to use 1 paper coupon, but you can use 2. So you're going to use $2 off Cottonelle coupons from the 627 Smart Source. Then you will use a 4 off 20 paper CRT, paper product CRT, excuse me. Then you would pay $14.98, get back a $5 extra buck, making them $9.98 for both of them, or $4.49 a piece. And since we have some good money makers, I thought we could use that to cover the paper products. Next is a razor promotion. Now, I don't know about you, but if you've been couponing for a while at CVS, like I have, I get a ton of Schick CRTs every week, and I get a lot of different combinations, and I just don't know what to do with them because there's just so many different ones that I get that don't really fit together, and it can be overwhelming. So the past 2 weeks, I've gotten these high-value Schick Intuition and Schick Hydro Silk 5 CRTs. So when I seen in the ad that these 2 razors are part of a promotion where you spend $15, you get back a $5 extra buck, I thought I would do that. But then they'll also be on sale for $8.99 a piece, which is a really good deal, I think, because that Intuition is like 14 bucks normally at CVS. But anyways, we are going to grab a Schick Intuition razor for $8.99 and a Schick Hydro Silk 5 razor for $8.99. That is going to bring our total up to $17.98. But then we can use 2 $4 off 1 coupons for the Schick razors, the non-disposable kind from the 718 Smart Source, and then we're going to use 2 $5 off CRTs, 1 for the Intuition razor and 1 for the Hydro Silk 5 razor. So that's going to bring our total all the way down to $0. So you won't pay anything, but then you'll get back a $5 extra buck, making both of these razors free and a $5 moneymaker. Now, I know not everyone's going to have those CRTs, but then this will help you look into your CRTs a little bit deeper and see what you can come up with. I go into the extra care portion on the website and I type in Schick, and it brings up all my Schick CRTs, and then I just try to match them with what's going on that week. So that is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.